The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has issued a full-scale evacuation. If you are currently in or near the state of Texas, please head to emergency bunkers. Emergency bunkers are in San Antonio, Houston, Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, El Paso, Arlington, Plano, Laredo, Lubbock, Irving, Amarillo, New Braunfels, Midland, McKinney, Brownsville, Killeen, and Round Rock. If you are not close to these bunkers, head out of state, or hide in a safe building. If you hear something, do not move and stay silent. If you see something, do not move and stay silent. The U.S. Army is currently dealing with this problem. Remain calm. This message will repeat.
The United States of America has issued a full evacuation of Texas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, New Mexico, Arkansas, Mississippi, Missouri, Tennessee, Alabama, Kentucky, Illinois, Colorado, Arizona. If you are in or near one of these states, get under shelter and hide. Do not try to leave. The U.S. Army has found humanoid creatures. Here is an image. These creatures will attack sound. Be quiet when moving. Do not try to attack these creatures. If you hear or see these creatures, remain calm. Stay silent. Do not try to get help. This message will repeat.
The United Nations has issued the evacuation of the following countries: United States of America, Mexico, Canada, Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Chile, Costa Rica, Cuba, Peru, Ecuador, Venezuela, Bolivia, Honduras, Guatemala, Panama, Uruguay, Haiti, Puerto Rico, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Paraguay, Dominican Republic, Guyana, Belize, Jamaica, the Bahamas, Suriname, French Guiana, U.S. Virgin Islands, Curacao, Aruba, Cayman Islands, Turks and Caicos Islands, St. Lucia, Guadeloupe, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and the Falklands. These countries are at risk of being destroyed by creatures of unknown origin. If you are in these countries and hearing this, do not try to leave. These creatures are very deadly. They are blind and of great hearing. They have thick armor. We have not found a way to kill these creatures yet. The entire Americas are now under lockdown. No boats or planes are to enter by the United Nations order. Good luck and may God be with you. This message will repeat until IT no longer is able.